Hello guys, now I welcome everyone back to the channel. Now showing on your screen are withdrawal proof which I was able to make from this crypto trading site where I was able to trade, use simple strategy to make profits. Now you can see right here on the screen are profits and withdrawal proof which I was able to make. Now in this video I'll be showing you how you can do the same thing if you follow every single step I'll be showing you, even without risking your funds, and at the same time even with less deposit. And there's a section where you don't have to deposit at all and you also make profit. Now if you're just seeing this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, and most importantly you turn on your notification. That would enable you to get notified anytime I drop a video on how to make money online. And proceeding, you can see showing on the screen right here is my recent balance which I still have right here, and this is what I'll be using to show each and every one of you the process on how to make money from this site. Alright, without wasting much of your time, the first step you need to do is to click on the link which I'll be adding to the description, where also you'll be able to see more details about this site and every single step you need to follow, every single strategy and every single process. Now once you click on the link, it brings you to this interface right here, and you would have to choose between login and register. Now if you're just seeing this update, you would have to register with them. But if you actually come across a video like this and you actually don't know the strategy to use to make profit from the sites, just pay attention and follow this video to the very end. Now for those who are just coming across something like this, just click on register, and this will take you to this next step where you have to fill in your details. And as you can see right here, it brought you here where you have to input your email and a referral code. Now if you're actually clicking on the link which I dropped in the comment section and the link which I dropped to the description, the referral code will be added automatically by itself. Now you just have to input your email and click on next, which should actually log you to the main site right here. As you can see details like this on the screen. Now once you logged into the main site, you can see calculator, invite, and the next one which is copy trading and simulation. Now I'll be talking about two important parts which you need to take note of, that is simulation and this BTC28 showing down here. Now let me first talk about simulation. So if you click on it, it will take you to this next page where it's showing charts and with a balance of 20,000 USDT to trade. Now you can see every details right here, and the process through which you're actually going to trade it I would explain when explaining the other part, which is BTC28. Now for the terms and conditions, you can actually see it right here. You can see there a price which each and everyone will be getting if you meet the requirements, and also the bonus is also lasted for 7 days from the day which you opened the account, and also see the rewards you'll be getting, which sounds interesting and looks fun to me. Now coming back to the main menu where you have details like this on your screen, you can see for the BTC28, once you click on it, it also takes you to somewhere similar to the first part, to the simulation, but right here you have to deposit your funds to be able to operate under BTC28. Now this is the section where I was able to make most of my profits, and I'll be showing you the steps and strategy on how I was able to make each and every process. Now right here under BTC28, you can see it, the details right here, and first thing you need to take note of is these 4 numbers at the back here, at the back of this issue number. And also I'll be dropping their Telegram signal group where you'll be getting signal every minute. And also take note about this time here, make sure it's under 1 minute time frame, because the signal drops every single minute, so you have to take signal for every minute, and you can actually skip some and take the ones you want. Now change this right here to 1 minute, and at the top right here take note of your numbers. So if you go straight, click on the link for the signal group, which should actually take you to the signal group where you get details on signals. And in the signal group you'll be getting something like this. Select the type. Now right this section right here, you see they ask you to select the type, so you'll be having something big, either small, odd, and even. So in the signal group, it's either they are giving you to select big, to select small, odd, and even. So you just go to the signal group, look at the signal they drop, if it is big or small, or if it is odd or even. Now you select it and input the amount which you want to stake at the bottom down here. But before you do that, you need to fund your account, like you can see right here. you can see my balance showing under at this section right here. So you need to fund your account to be able to place trade under this section. So all right, so if you click on this icon that shows assets at the bottom right here, it brings you here where you see details like this, and you can see recharge at the top right there. So once you click on it, it shows the payment method. You can see cryptocurrency, and by the side you can see fiat currency, and select recharge type. That's for cryptocurrency. Let's talk about cryptocurrency first. You see select type, you input the amount which you want to recharge, and you can see the minimum recharge, which is just 10 USDT. So this section is where you're actually going to input the amount you want to deposit, and if you scroll to the bottom you see next. So if you click on it, it will actually generate a link which you deposit into. Now for those who actually don't have a crypto wallet, or you don't have Binance or Bybit wallet like that, you can actually click on this fiat currency, and you can see the available countries: Egypt, Pakistan, other countries, Nigerian at the last section. Now you see you input the amount you want to deposit, and you can see for the minimum deposit, which is just 3,000 naira for Nigerians. Now this section right here also is where you're actually going to input the amount you want to deposit, and select it. After once you're done selecting it, you come to the bottom and click on next. Now you can see I actually selected 5,000 naira for Nigerian currency, and you can see click on pay now, and immediately I click on it, it will direct me to the next section where I will be given a bank account where I will actually deposit into. Now you see right here it's actually loading, and you can see I was given a bank account where I need to deposit right into the bank account. And if I'm actually going to deposit, I need to deposit the exact amount I selected to be able to make the deposit confirmed. Now right here, once you're done with payments, you come back to this section right here, this assets. You should be having your balance, your deposit in your balance right here like this. Now come back to this main menu where you click on BTC28. Now proceeding with how I was able to make profit from this random site. Now as I explained earlier, I'm going to be showing you how I place trades right here now. Now like I said, you have to take signal from the Telegram group. Now showing on your screen is what the Telegram group looks like. I'll be dropping the link to the description and to the comment section also. So once you click on it, it takes you to the Telegram group where you get signals. Now once you take a look at the signals, it shows something like this, and like I said before, take the last four digits and make sure it's the same thing with what is showing in the signal group. Now look at the last four digits right here, which is 0133. See it right here, the period ID. Now see it shows trade, that's big. You see it's telling you to select big, and you see take note of this also, recommended quality, which is ×2. This recommended quality is actually important. It's actually something you need to take note of the recommended quality. Take note of it. And also once you come back to this site, you look at the number 0133, and that's actually the signal they drop. And you see you select big right here in this section, you input the amount which you want to stake, and you click on trade. Now immediately you click on trade, you see it brings details like this, and you need to confirm the trade, and you see order generated. Now if you scroll back to the top, you see you have to wait for this number reading right here. Since we're actually using a 1 minute time frame, you wait for this time to load till it gets to 0, and you will get results. Now another thing you need to take note of is the calculator, which is very important, and this right here is actually going to help you minimize your risks. And at the same time, the site has a policy that if you actually trade using this calculator and you have 8 consecutive loss, the site is actually going to give you 100% back of your funds. So far you're taking signal from the site, from the signal group, and you use this calculator to calculate your risks, and I'll be showing you how to be able to do that. Now if you zoom in right here, you can see showing on the screen, zoom into this aspect right here where you input the balance according to what you have on your balance. Now if you click on calculate, it will give you these details right here. You can see trade amounts, you can see the face, and you can see the net profit. You can see every single details. I'll actually zoom in very clearly for you to see, have a clear view of what it is all about. Now you can see for the first stage, which is stage 7, if you're actually going to trade, place a first trade. And you can see for the first phase, if you're actually going to place a trade, you should be using 0.03 and we should be giving you a net profit of 0.3 also. Now, following every single step and every process which I made in this video, a withdrawal of $100 is certain from this crypto site. Now, after every trade and every process which I've done, this is my balance showing on the screen right here, and the process to make withdrawal is what I'll be showing next right here. So come to this aspect that shows asset at the bottom right here. If you click on it, it shows you details like this on your screen. Now you can see beside this recharge, you can see withdraw right here, and if you click on it, it will show details like this where you have to input the amount you want to withdraw. And also, if you're using a crypto method, you can also withdraw through crypto, and you can withdraw through your local currency. So if you're using a crypto method, right here in this aspect, you're going to need to input your crypto address where you want to receive the money into, and also you will be sent a code to your email to finalize the transaction. And once you confirm the code, you can see showing on the screen, this is my withdrawal proof showing right here on the screen. Alright, like I said in the beginning, if you follow every single process, there's the assurance of making $100 every week from this project. Now, if this video actually added to your crypto life, kindly take your time to subscribe to this channel, like, share, and also turn on your notification that you'll always get notified anytime I drop an update like this. Have a nice day, guys.